In your face.
Stop, James. Look, guys. James got big croaker. That's a big one. Come on, pull it up. Ah! My little fisherman. Hello, my little fisherman. Come on. Oh, don't do that. Post, post. Come on, look. Look. Baby. Stay, stay. Oh my goodness. Pasaway na bata. Look. So I can take picture. My silly kid. Ew. Close your mouth. Come on. Look at me. Okay, guys. Because we are fishing. He doesn't want to show his face.
No, I would if the wind wasn't so hard.
It's very windy.
You know, it's bad.
Alright. Hello, fish. Come on. Okay, we're gonna. Ooh, this is big.